Hi, it's Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a Hyundai i45, stock number 5887. This shape ran from the 2nd of 2010 to the 4th of 2014. It has a G4 KJ 4-cylinder 2.4 litre petrol engine backed by an auto front-wheel drive transmission. Here we have our G4 KJ 4-cylinder 2.4 litre petrol engine. Left front wheel, factory alloy mag, 17-inch rim, good tyre. Left front guard, no dents. Left hand mirror. Left front door, 1 dent. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 17-inch rim, good tyre. Left hand tail light. Right hand tail light. Right rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 17-inch rim, good tyre. Right rear door, 1 dent. Right front door, no dents. Right hand mirror. Right front wheel, factory alloy mag, 17-inch rim, good tyre. Right front guard, no dents. Right front door trim. Right front master switch. Center console, gear stick, heat AC controls, CD player control panel, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, courtesy light, right hand sun visor, tidy vinyl / leather steering wheel with audio cruise, and no more buttons.